everybody out there to another Take 5 video. This is Mark Mannering from Class Training, and we're just going to be covering some major aspects of Google Drive or Google Docs. We'll cover just quickly how to manage files with a cloud solution like Google Drive, how to create documents in the cloud, and how to share documents with others. We'll quickly talk about how you can store documents in the cloud for mobile access. My strong suggestion is to use these cloud storage facilities mainly for temporary or just mobile file storage, not for permanent storage of files or backing up of files. Also, you can share documents files with non-Google Drive users. When we create documents or look at creating documents, we'll look at how we can create simple word processing documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and even forms that you can fill in and send to people. And we'll quickly look at how we can share documents, how we can download and convert documents for full desktop editing, how you can share documents with others for them to comment on your files or documents, and also how to manage different versions of the one document. Okay, I've just logged into my Google Drive account, and if I want to upload a file or some files so I can access them from almost any device, I'll just click on the upload button here and go to Files, navigate to an area on my computer where I've got the file, and I'll just do this one here. I'll just double click this particular Word document, and you can see it's uploading there. And it's been uploaded. Now from here I can immediately share it with someone else or convert it, but I'll just go here and close off, and you can see the file has been listed there. And a little later we'll see that and some other files on our mobile devices such as our iPad and smartphone and so on. Now, as you might know, Google Drive is not just a cloud storage solution. You can also create online documents, as we mentioned earlier, very simple word processing, spreadsheet and other files. And I'll just create a simple word processing document here by going Create here, and I'll just say Document, and it comes up with an online word processor. This is not as full-featured as a lot of other desktop word processors, but you can create quite good documents with this. If I click File and New, and come down to Template, Google Drive provides you with lots of templates for your word processing spreadsheet or other files. And there's a built-in template I can adapt for my own purposes using the normal sort of controls and formatting features across the top there. When creating and editing online documents, they are automatically saved. Each time you make a change to your document, the Google Drive account will save the document changes for you. And to go back, I just come up the top here, top left-hand corner, and click back to Google Drive. And I didn't worry about giving it a name, and there it is there, copy of resume. And I can rename these files and create folders and do the normal sort of file management tasks that you've probably been carrying out on your PC or laptop. I can create other types of documents, as we said. If I just click Create here, we've got documents, presentations, spreadsheets, forms and drawings, and they all work in pretty much the same way. So let's look at a couple of other examples already created earlier. We'll just go to a word processing document here. Just have a look at some of the features we can add. And you can see there are lots of formatting, dot points. We can add graphics, we can add tables, insert tables, and lots of other word processing features. Again, to go back to the list, just point to the left of the name here, back to Google Drive, back to where we were. We'll just go into Spreadsheets here, Spreadsheets folder, have a look at a typical spreadsheet, see what we can do here. And similar to other desktop spreadsheets, we can enter data, formulas, charts, and so on, and a fair bit of formatting. To go back, just click to the left of the name, and we're back to where we were. A typical example of a presentation, I'll just click in here. And similar to PowerPoint and others, you can have slides down the left-hand side there as thumbnails. You can add animations, graphics, and pretty much a lot of the features that PowerPoint, for example, can provide. And we'll just go back to where we were. Google Drive also provides a simple form generation tool. So for simple surveys and so on, you can create simple forms. I'll just click on the example here, the feedback form. And you have the usual text response fields, checkboxes, radio buttons and so on. If I scroll down, there's a send form button at the bottom left there. Now the good thing about this is when your users or visitors fill in this form, the data is automatically stored. I'll just go back here. The data comes back into a virtual spreadsheet. There's the feedback form responses. Just click that. And it becomes automatically populated with any form results that come back from your users. And from here you can do your basic analysis and we'll just go back to where we were. Now, as we said earlier, these documents or files are stored up there in the cloud by Google Drive. They're not stored on your PC laptop. But as some of you might know, you can download these files so they are stored on your PC laptop hard drive, and at the same time convert them to compatible file formats such as Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint, or even as a PDF file so that you can send those off to other people. So to quickly do that, for example, I want to download this Google Docs video document as a Microsoft Word file. I can just right click that, come down to download and choose a particular format I want. There's HTML and so on, but there's Microsoft Word, and I download by clicking here. Bottom left corner, it's been downloaded now as a Microsoft Word file. I just click the drop down here and show in folder, and you can see it's been downloaded there permanently to my hard drive. If I create a form and I get the form responses or the answers back as a Google spreadsheet document, I can download this document here. We saw earlier, right clicking, go to download. It picks it up that it's a spreadsheet, so more than likely we want it as a Microsoft Excel file, and I can choose what I want here as a PDF there or as a Microsoft Excel file, so I can call that into Excel and do some more analysis. I'll just cancel to come out of that. Now, very importantly, you'll see a little link here which allows you to download a little drive utility or a little program that can be installed onto your PC or laptop that allows you to have a Google Drive folder in your Windows Explorer so that you can use your files and synchronize your files better that way. Now, I've already installed Google Drive for desktop, so if I click on the Google Drive folder here, you'll see on the right hand side there the same sort of things that we've got, exactly the same sort of things once it's all been synchronized with your actual Google Drive account. So instead of uploading a file from my Google Drive account online through the internet, I can go into a folder here on my desktop and go into the particular file. There's the file I want to upload to my Google Drive account. I can just right click and copy that or even drag it, but I'll go into Google Drive here and just right click and paste, and that file's being synchronized or uploaded to my Google Drive account automatically. Little green tick pops up there indicating that it's now synchronized with my Google Drive account. So if I change back to my Google Drive account through the browser and just scroll down, hopefully I'll see it there, and there it is at the bottom. So it's automatically synchronized with my Google Drive account up there in the cloud. And then I can obviously access that from my other mobile devices if I'm on the road. And the final thing to quickly look at is how we can share documents with other people so that they can make their changes to your same document, they can add comments, and we can collaborate better on the road or from any particular device. Now, it doesn't mean that that other person has a copy of my file. I will just give them shared access to that particular document, and they will see it open up in their Google Drive account, and we are working on the same exact file. So to do that, we just quickly go into the particular file, the one we looked at earlier. Top right hand corner, I can say share, and it comes up and I can add people here through their email address. Okay, and say share and save, and that's done. You'll also see in the top right hand corner there a comments button that your collaborators can use to add comments to the particular document. And I'll just close this and go back to the list of files. Now, this is where the real power of Google Drive comes in, because I can access those same documents, those same files from any mobile device. If I go to Google Drive on my iPad, just tap the app here, and I can see those same files and documents. Just scroll up and you can see the file there that's just been edited. And what you can see here now is my smartphone. If I go to Google Drive here and just tap its app there and come down, hopefully everything's there, and we can see the Google Drive, or sorry, the Google Docs video listed there as well. Just tapping that to have a look at it. There it is there, it's loaded. graphics come up. And I can have a look at comments there. Top right hand corner, I can tap that and I can see the comment there. So we can collaborate better with our different devices. Okay, thanks people. That's all we have time for. There's a lot more that we can cover with our Google Drive Docs courses and webinars, so please have a look out for those. Look out for the next Take 5 video. This is Mark Mannering signing off, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.